back around.
Look there.
Okay.
Going up. That's how you adjust your back roll. This is the main roll adjustment, and this is how you adjust each side. Is here.
Okay.
Okay. But you can also do this with the rolling motion. Bringing it on out. You don't want to overroll an area. Drop it on down and stuff. We'll bring it on down so you don't mess it up. Ready to put in your part. You also got the mirror so that you can see where you're at as far as when you put a mark on your plate. That'll be your indication of where you're going and where you want to stop. Because she will start rolling. Once she pinches on through here, she hits that back roll, it will start forming for you.
Okay.
Okay?
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.